Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today in this video I am going to discuss about those muscles that are involved in elbow flexion, elbow extension, pronation and supination. This is my fifth video of muscle anatomy. So first of all discuss about the muscles that are involved in the elbow flexion. The first muscle is biceps brachii muscle. The muscle in red is biceps brachii muscle. It has two heads, long head and short head. The origin of long head from supraglenoid tubercle of scapula and glenoid labrum and short head apex of coracoid process. Its insertion on posterior part of radial tuberosity, bicipital aponeurosis into the deep fascia over common flexor origin. Nerve supply, musculocutaneous nerve. Action involved in shoulder flexion and elbow flexion and forearm supination. The next elbow flexor is brachialis. Its origin from lower half of anterior surface of humerus, intermuscular septum. Insertion, coronoid process and tuberosity of ulna. Nerve supply, musculocutaneous nerve and radial action, elbow flexion. The muscle in green is brachialis muscle. Third elbow flexor muscle is brachioradialis muscle. The muscle in green is brachioradialis muscle. Its origin upper two-thirds of lateral supracondylar ridge of humerus, lateral intermuscular septum. Insertion, lateral side of radius above styloid process. Nerve supply, radial nerve. Action involved in elbow flexion. The muscle in green is brachioradialis muscle. Now fourth elbow flexor is pronator teres. The muscle in green is pronator teres muscle. Its origin humeral head, medial epicondyle via common flexor tendon, intermuscular septum, antebrachial fascia, ulnar head, medial part of coronoid process. Insertion, middle of lateral surface of radius. Nerve supply, median nerve. Action, pronation of forearm and elbow flexion. Now discuss about those muscles that are involved in elbow extension. The first muscle is triceps brachii muscle. The muscle in red is triceps brachii muscle. It has three heads, long head, lateral head and medial head. The origin of long head from intraglenoid tubercle of scapula, shoulder capsule, and origin of lateral head above and lateral to spiral groove on posterior surface of humerus, and medial head below and medial to spiral groove on posterior surface of humerus. Insertion, upper surface of olecranon, deep fascia of forearm. Nerve supply, radial nerve. Action, elbow extension and shoulder extension. The muscle in red is triceps brachii muscle. Second elbow extensor is anconius. Its origin posterior surface of lateral epicondyle of humerus, and insertion lateral surface of olecranon, upper quarter of posterior surface of ulna. Nerve supply, radial nerve. Action, elbow extension. The muscle in green is anconius muscle. Now discuss about those muscles that are involved in pronation. The first muscle is pronator teres. The muscle in green is pronator teres muscle that we have already discussed above in this video. Then pronator quadratus muscle. The muscle in green is pronator quadratus muscle. Its origin ulna, lower quarter of anterior surface. Insertion radius, lower quarter of anterior surface. Nerve supply, anterior interosseous branch of median nerve. Action involved in forearm pronation. The muscle in green is pronator quadratus muscle. Now discuss about the muscles that are involved in supination. The first muscle is supinator. The muscle in green is supinator muscle. Its origin lateral epicondyle, inferior aspect, and radial collateral ligament, annular ligament, supinator crest, and fossa of ulna. Insertion posterior, lateral, and anterior aspect of upper third of radius. Nerve supply posterior interosseous nerve. Action supination of forearm. The muscle in green is supinator muscle. Then the second supinator muscle is biceps brachii muscle that we have already discussed above in this video. The muscle in green is biceps brachii muscle. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel for more useful videos.